Hey guys, welcome to my N8N course. Here I will going to teach you how you can automate LinkedIn post, okay, with N8N. So the automation we will going to create will be, very simple and easy. So this is a very beginners friendly guide, so everyone can follow with me step by step. We will not only going to create the automation, but you will learn lots of N8N concepts as well. So inside this course, all you need to do is that as automation, you need to just provide the topic, and on that topic, your automation will be created, and automatically, automation will create a post with text and image. So this is the simplest automation you will be able to build using AI. So step by step, if you want to learn how you can build it, so make sure that you follow the complete video. So guys, the straightforward we will going to first teach you how you can attach the credentials. That means the apps which you will going to use for this automation. So we will only going to use LinkedIn plus OpenAI, okay, as a AI model. So this will help us to generate the text plus image. Okay, very simple. And once you do this, you can start. So by the way, I'm providing you two tutorials, so you can just search for Kuku courses here, kukucourses.com. Just go here, and then you guys will able to see under library, click on free library. Okay, once you do this, so here you will see this N8N credentials and integrations, and similarly you just have to click on the view button, and it will going to open the complete tutorials, all the different tutorials, okay, how you can connect let's say different apps with your N8N. So I suppose you have your N8N set up and ready. Okay, so under your credentials you can just search for, let's say, create credentials, and just search for LinkedIn, and how to connect it, okay, with LinkedIn. So each and everything has been covered here in this particular guide, LinkedIn. Okay, you can connect personal account and the company page both. Click on view, and here you will see the complete video how to connect LinkedIn with N8N. Also, as we have mentioned that in this service we will going to use OpenAI as well, so make sure that you need the OpenAI as well. So just close it, search here OpenAI, and OpenAI key basically asks for API key. So for that also we have provided you this tutorial, OpenAI view. So in case you don't have your LinkedIn and your N8N both connected, so make sure that pause the video and watch this tutorial to connect both LinkedIn and OpenAI together. Then we can proceed it. So after you will watch it, so you will be able to connect your LinkedIn business, LinkedIn personal account as well, and also your link OpenAI. This will help us to uh, create or generate the text and images. So make sure that you pause the video. All you need to do is to connect them, because credentials allow us to connect different apps which we can use inside our automation. So pause the video and watch these two tutorials about OpenAI integration and LinkedIn integration. So after you do this, you will be good to go. Okay, so hope you pause and watch the tutorials. And in case, let's say, you don't know about anything basics, okay, like let's say, like what is concept of anything, what is AI agent, automation, okay, your, let's say, AI model, okay, etc, etc, even how you can set up anything. So in case, let's say, you don't have anything with you guys, so how you can set it up. So for that we have a separate course. So again, just go to my website, click on the courses, click on free courses, and you will see this, just search for AI agent. Okay, in case you don't see it here, again just see here. Okay, just search for AI agent. You will see this AI agent and automation full course for free. It's a complete public course. Click on start course button, and here we have covered each and every concept. So click on concept of AI agent. Here you will see tutorial about what is AI agent. Okay, and if you want, just watch the complete 6 videos. So this will going to guide you and help you to learn the N8N and AI agent, the basics. Okay, and even we have covered here the setup guide. So if you will see here, so if you click on this which AI agent tool to use, you can tap on it, and in this video only we have taught step by step how you can set up N8N as well. So basically the thing is that we will directly start with attaching the credentials, and we will going to start to build our AI agent and automation. Okay, but in case if you are not familiar with plenty of things like what is N8N, automation, how you can set up each and everything, so you can just follow my one of the free course we have here on my website. This can really help you out as well. Okay, so now let's start and build our AI agent. So I suppose you have anything ready. You have also attached the credentials. Now we can start to build our automation. Okay. So make sure that you click on create workflow, and you can just name it whatever you want. Let's say automate LinkedIn post, whatever you want to, and you can start to build your automation. So this workflow, basically workflow in anything allow you a canvas where you can start to build your AI agent and automation. So let's start to build our automation. So you all know that we need to use different nodes. So nodes are like different elements, like as we have mentioned, to build a house you require cement, bricks, labor together. They all work together to build you house. Same to build any AI agent and automation, we need nodes. So the very first trigger in our LinkedIn example, we will going to use a form. So user will first of all submit the form. Okay, so let's say if you click on the plus button, and here you will see this on form submission option. If you tap on it, so this form basically will capture the data, and that data you can use it for your automation. So for example, let's say the form title, let's say I can ask LinkedIn, okay, topic. Okay, and that is what the form description, LinkedIn topic for, let's say LinkedIn topic. Okay, and in the elements you can click on add form element. In the field name you can just write what you want the users to see. So let's say I want users to write, enter topic. Okay, for LinkedIn post, like this, or you can just put it here, uh, enter topic for LinkedIn post, and you can just write here enter topic. Okay, like this, and it is a text. If it's a number, all such things, you can put it over here. And you want to make it require, that means we want to make this data require. Okay, so if you go back, now let's say whenever you click on this execute workflow button, so it will just going to open a form, and it will ask the users, hey, enter the topic. So you can say LinkedIn topic, enter topic for LinkedIn post, and it is asking to add the LinkedIn topic. So let's say I want for, let's say uh, email marketing 5, or let's say uh, 3 tips. Okay, let's say that is what I want to create the LinkedIn post all about. When I will click on submit, so you will going to notice your automation will start. Currently what it is showing is that waiting for you to submit the form. Okay, so until unless we won't submit the form, automation will not going to start. And that is our first task, is to trigger. We have to start the automation, and that is what the trigger node is all about. It will help you to start the automation. So in our example, it's a form submission, right? So let's go ahead, click on submit button, and once you click on submit button, let's wait. Okay, it will take few seconds, 1 2 3, and boom 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 boom, come on. So it will wait, and of course it will going to fire. Okay, after a few seconds, sometimes it takes time, and boom, you can see it fired, and it says workflow executed successfully. And the best part is that if you will see here, our trigger has performed. That means whenever someone will fill the form and submit it, so our automation will start. So you can see automation started, and if you open it, so here you guys can see the topic. So we have asked for enter topic, okay, and user has written email marketing 3 tips, okay. So it has basically, the form has basically captured the data which we have asked from the user. So using this data, okay, we can create our automation. Now once we have created our trigger node to start the automation, now guys, we will going to do is that we will going to take the help of AI, okay. So what we will going to do is that we will take the help of AI, okay. So first we will take the help of AI to generate our text, okay. So that is what we will going to do. So this particular first AI will help us to generate the text. Now if you will going to notice, in this form submission we ask for user about the topic, okay. So this using this topic, we want AI to generate text for this topic, and after this we also want AI uh, to generate image, okay, on the basis of the same topic. So whatever topic user has put, so on that basis we want AI to also generate the image. So that is what we will going to do. So if you remember, user has put or fill the, let's say, topic. Now using this topic data which we have got, we want the automation or AI to create, you know, sort of a text like a caption. So if you go here to, let's say, my company pages for an example, so here you will see, if we just talk about this post, so it has the text and the image, right? So that is what we want the AI to do. So first it will help us to generate text and image. So how you can do, just go back to canvas. Now here you guys can see the plus button, click on it, and we will going to use AI. So just go here to AI node, and right now notice what we are using is that we are using our AI node, okay. So to get our text and image, okay, so I will just click on AI, and you can use plenty of things. Let's say this time I will going to use OpenAI. So remember, OpenAI is very important, okay. So set up the credentials for OpenAI, okay. So in case if you haven't, so I will click on the OpenAI, and I will click on message a model. So I will tell to AI, that means I will message to a model that, hey, generate text on the basis of the topic. So I will click on message a model, and you will see like this. Simply go back, and here you can see message a model, okay. It will be added here, so you can easily move it here and there like this. Now if you will going to notice, if you open this, right now it's showing error. Why? Because we need to select the model. So just select any model. So currently when I'm recording, GPT-5 is very popular, okay. So it will show you all the list of models. In case if it doesn't show, again click on it, and let's say I use GPT-5, okay, for an example. And now what I will going to do is that I will going to tell to AI to perform the task. So first thing is that topic, okay, user. So you can see user is the person who has filled the form, okay. So I will going to just drag and drop the user query. So it topic was this one, okay. So I can just write here topic like this, and I will going to put this colon something like this, and I will just going to drag. You can see in the schema. So N8N is very easy. All you need to do is just drag the topic here, and you can see it will reflect it. So topic right now is email marketing 3 tips. So this is what user, you can see a role user has put. So remember here the role is user. User means the person who has put the topic, okay. So just assume it like, let's say when we are using maybe ChatGPT. So if you use ChatGPT, so you are a user of a ChatGPT, and let's say here you will going to write the topic, let's say 3 email marketing 3 tips like this. Click on enter. So this is a prompt, okay. Prompt means the question which you have asked to AI as a user. So that is what exactly we did. So as a prompt, we have set here 3 email marketing topics, right? Or tips, sorry. And as a user, because I'm a user to ChatGPT, but in the backend to the system, we have to tell AI what to do. So again, you see here at the message, and here as a role, you can select as a system. So system defines how your AI will going to behave. Okay. So guys, what I can do or write here is that, let's say I can say, um, write a short engaging LinkedIn post, only let's say one paragraph, or I can say less than one paragraph about the user, or let's say on user topic. Okay, so see here I have given the command to AI that as a system, okay, what you need to do. So I have given the instructions to AI, the prompt to AI, that you need to write LinkedIn post less than one paragraph. See, I have written the instructions to the AI on the basis of user topic. So this is the user topic. So on the basis of that, you need to write, you know, engaging LinkedIn post less than one paragraph. Okay, as a system, I have chosen here. So that's how you can write the role and the user. Okay, so once you do that, you are good to go. Just go back. Okay, so this is the thing we have written as a message model. So we have used AI, you can see, as a text, and you can see here we have used AI to generate the text. Okay, so now let's say if you play it. Okay, so AI will, on the basis of user topic, it will just generate the text. And if you see it played, if you open it up, you can see the AI has generated a powerful LinkedIn topic. You can see on the basis of user topic. Are you email marketing campaign not yielding desired result? Consider these 3 tips. Okay, and you can see it has properly given us 3 tips. Okay, so always remember, my dear friends, one thing very important, that when you use anything, so whatever data has been provided in one node, it will always move to the another node. So let's say this node, okay, this is a node, and after this node we have this node. Okay, so guys, all the information in the previous node data, that will always going to move to the next node. Now what does this mean? So in the on form submission, we have this data of topic. So this data and information has moved to the next node, and you can see that here. So this was the on form submission, the previous node data. So N8N basically allow you to get the previous data. Okay, and also in the right side it will going to provide you the this particular node data. So right now this AI has performed this topic, okay, this task, and it has generated this for us. Now you can just write here, okay, as a name, whatever you want to. Okay, that's totally up to you. Let's say I can even name it, let's say generate, okay, uh, post text. Okay, so for LinkedIn post, it will generate the text for us, and you can see the name will show up here, generate post text. Now I want, on the same topic, I want to generate the image. Okay, so again I will going to do one thing, is that I will just going to uh, do one thing. I will click on plus button, I will go to AI node again, and I will going to, let's say, use OpenAI, and I will going to use it to, let's say, generate the image. So here you can see image action, generate an image. So I will tap on it, and once you go back to canvas, this is where it is. Now what you can do is that you can just connect it like this. Okay, so just notice very careful, tap on this black gray arrow and drag it here to attach it here. So now what will going to happen? Now see, once you attach it, so on form submission data will also visible over here right now. Okay, and let's say if you disconnect it, so now if you open it, so you can see node, the previous node data will show you here. So that's why we need to attach it. So once you do this, now again we need to do the same task. Now this time we will just going to generate image, okay, on the basis of a topic. Again, make sure that OpenAI credentials are selected here, and as we have told you to connect it, remember, so do that. And image operation will be to generate the image, and the prompt you have to write, okay. So let's say you can also do plenty of things, but here all you need to do is just enter the topic, that's it, okay. So automatically, on the basis of this topic, it will just going to generate the image, that's it. So it basically means is that you are just telling to ChatGPT like this, um, generate image, okay, and you're just writing like this, three tips, email marketing 3 tips. Click on enter, and you will going to see ChatGPT will start to generate the image. So that exactly tasks we are doing right now. Just drag it here, good to go. And once you do this, just execute the step so that you can see the action performed over here, okay. So let's wait. It will take few time, like chat gpt takes few times to generate the image. So same, it will take few seconds or less than let's say 1 minute for you to generate the image, okay. So don't worry, it will generate the image, and the image will be generated on the basis of the topic, the prompt. So if you see here, click on view, so you can see the image has been generated for you. Awesome, right? So that's it. So now we got the text and image. So that exactly what we have done. So this first AI help us to generate the text, second AI help us to generate the image. Now guys, see, if you try to check here LinkedIn, so we cannot separate them, like we cannot, because we have a LinkedIn here, okay, we have a LinkedIn. But first, to use the LinkedIn, we first need to merge this both of the data, okay. We want this text and image, like here in the post, they both combine together as a one post. So here you will going to see this is a complete post, okay, and this post has text, okay, here, and here it also has the image. So it has both of this data. So that exactly what we want to combine both of the data, okay. So what we will going to use is that merge node. So if you will going to see, notice carefully, we have used trigger node, we have used AI node, okay. We have used trigger to generate the form, AI to generate the text and image. Now guys, we will going to use utility node, and remember, utility node is helpful if you want to play with the data. So utility node help us to merge the text and image generated by the AI. So whatever image and text that has been generated by AI, right, so we will going to merge them into one. So let me show you this text and this image, they both will going to combine inside this node, okay, and we will going to get the complete one post. Assume it as a one post which we can post directly to the LinkedIn. So that is what we will going to do now. So what we will going to do is that I will click on the plus button, and here you will see that, as I have mentioned, that these three together combine as a utility node. That means the utility node which you see here, okay, so the utility node which you see here is the combination of data transformation, core and flow. So that is what I want to tell you. So here you will see all of them, like data transformation, core, flow. So in our case, of course, there are plenty one of them, so we cannot teach you. But if you go to data transformation, we have something known as merge. So this particular thing help you to merge the data together. So I will click on this merge, okay, go back here, and you can see this is a merge data. Now just first disconnect it. Now this is a merge data. So what I will going to do, I will just going to connect the first to the first input, and second one is to the second input. That's it. Open the merge, and now you will be able to see all the data combined together. So first what we need to do is that we need to combine the data. So I will select combine as a mode, and combine by, let's say, position and two inputs. That means last two inputs. So if you will going to notice, in last two we have these two performed, so that thing we want to merge them together. That's it, okay. And once you click on execute this step, now this utility node will help you to merge the data together, okay. So let's wait, and you can see in the JSON it has basically merged both of the data. So just simple nutshell, just understand that it has merged the both the data. So you can just assume that it has provided us text and photo, both of them are now merged together so that we can post that to the LinkedIn. Okay, that is how easy it is. So once we have done this, now the last part is the action. So if you will going to notice here, so we have performed trigger, we have performed AI action node, and we have also used utility to merge the data. Now we will going to perform an action, and actions are always performed in the apps. In our case, it will be LinkedIn, and a particular task will be post. Okay, and that is what we will going to do now. So you can see once we have got the data merged, now we will going to use this merged data to post in the LinkedIn. So make sure that in your N8N you have connected the LinkedIn. Okay, so make sure you do that. Click on the plus button and go to action in app and just search for LinkedIn. We need to create a post, tap on it, go back, and you can see that's how it is. Open it. Now make sure that you select where you want to post. If you want to post it in the personal account, so you can select the personal. So if you have watched, so you will able to see both of the options. So if you have watched our this tutorial, okay, so you will basically going to understand how to connect the LinkedIn with N8N. Okay, so in case if you don't know, just go to my this website. Okay, we have already told you about this. So I want to post it inside my company page, that is my business page. So if you go here, so I want to post it inside my company page. Okay, so I will going to select as a LinkedIn business. I want to post, I want to create the post, and as a organization, that means I want to post inside my company. Now if you see, if you post it in the personal account, so everything is a straightforward, but for the company you need this URN number. So URN means, let's say if you have a company account in the LinkedIn, okay, LinkedIn page basically, so each LinkedIn page has this URN number. So if you will focus here, okay, just open any of the page where you want to post it, and then you will see this number. So this number is basically the URN number which you need to copy. So I will just going to copy this number and I will paste it here. That's it. Once you do this, so what we are doing is that we are doing post on LinkedIn. That's it. Awesome. And everything is perfect. Now in the text, I will just going to go ahead with this data. With I will just go to the merge, or you can just open, let's say, uh, all the data. So let's say here we have this particular thing. Let's put it here. Okay, so JSON message, or wait, what we can do is that in the merge data, we can just go ahead with the content. Okay, if you want to. So now it will show you this JSON message. Okay, something like this particular thing. Of course we will going to do that thing, but I want both message and content to show up together. So I can just make some changes here. So what I can do is that JSON, and then you can just open the brackets here, remove the dot, and in the quotes you can just write the text like this. Okay, and then close the bracket, and then again open the bracket for the content like this. Okay, and close the bracket, and boom, now it will basically going to post your both message and the image together. So that's the formula you need to write. Okay, curly bracket, then JSON, then in the brackets you have to write the message here like this, and here you have to again open the bracket, content, close it, and attach that. Awesome, all good to go. So once you do this, that's how it's done. And now in the media, of course we want to attach the media, so select the image. That's it. That's what you need to do, because we want the media to also get posted. That's it, right? And let's say once you do this, just click on execute step, and let's wait and see the magic. Okay, so let's wait, and it will going to post in your company page. So you can see it's done, and it has even shared the URL. By the way, if you go to the company page right now, okay, so you can see right now we have only one post here 1 hour ago. Let's refresh in front of you guys, and here we go. Again, the second post is about 3 email marketing, so it has just provided us that thing with the image. Okay, so that's how your automation works, and it's very simple. So all you need to do is that just save it, make it active, you can use it any single time, and boom, you have built your complete automation. All you need to do is to execute it. Again, it will ask the form, what form you want to use. Suppose click on execute workflow, it will again going to open the form. You just need to write the topic, and after that topic, whatever topic you write, on that basis it will build your text and image, and it will post it on the LinkedIn. That's it. All you need to do in the effort is that write the topic. That's it. Okay, and that is what I wanted to teach you over here. Now guys, one very important thing which I want to teach you guys is that right now you can see we have created automation. Make sure that you activate it to run it, okay, every single time. But guys, there are plenty of things like AI nodes, much more. So guys, I also have if you actually want to go in very in depth in the learning about the N8N, so you can just go to my website again, which is Kuku courses. Okay, just go to, let's say, kukucourses.com website, and once you go to the website, so my dear friends, all you need to do is that click on the courses, and here we have the N8N course. So if you search for N8N, so we have this N8N automation for AI agent masterclass. So this is a complete full course. So here you will see more LinkedIn examples like scrapping. So here you can see we have if you go to the overview, we have more of the automations we have created, like LinkedIn job scrapper, LinkedIn connection, and other more LinkedIn automations, and many other automations we have built. So every of the automations we have built inside this course, and every single time we update and we add new content to this course. Currently this course is about 12 hours course. Okay, so you can explore this course. It's just going to cost $5 when I'm recording it. Maybe in future we may increase the price, but just for $5 you can get this particular course for lifetime. But we also have a membership, so if you get any of our membership, so this will allow you to access this particular course of N8N plus other courses we have in our collection. So if you will see, we have other courses, so all the paid courses you will see in our website. You will be able to access them, from building e-commerce website to SendFox email marketing. You can build digital e-product website, Elementor full course, AI full course, ASC plugin course, Coolify to self-host, plenty of things. Okay, Python course, Jupyter course, and Google Tag Manager course. Okay, Google Analytics course. And if you go more and more, so every of these courses are included in our membership. Okay, so if you take our membership, so you can take the benefit of it, and of course this course will also be included. Otherwise you can also purchase this course individually as well, but this course will going to contain each and everything. You can just check the curriculum, so every of the different tasks, different notes which we have available. So right now we have this automate LinkedIn post with AI. So we have just discussed very few notes, but with our this particular course, okay, if you start to if you enroll to this course, you will see plenty of things we have discussed about AI reg, AI agent, and much other tutorials. So in all the different tutorials here in our course, we have discussed about different nodes, so it will help you to grab and use all the different nodes. Okay, and you will also going to get the knowledge how to use different nodes. Okay, but this is all I wanted to teach you. So make sure that you explore our membership. You can also explore our membership here. You can purchase each individual course, or just grab the lifetime membership from here as well. Okay, and also in the store we have the N8N templates and workflow. So if you open this, so if you want to get inbuilt 500 plus ready-made templates, so you can just copy and paste them just for $5. Okay, it is a separate product. Okay, so just for $5 you can also get our N8N template and workflow, which are very powerful. Just use them inside your workflow, just make little changes, and you will be good to go. Okay, so this is all I wanted to teach you guys. Okay, So make sure that you explore our website. Also, as we have mentioned, we have lots of free library as well. So click on free library. You can check free library if you want to create affiliate SEO optimized blog post. So you can click on view button. It will show you our powerful prompt template and how to use it. So for that we have video attached as well, and also you can click on the free courses here to check all the free courses we have in our website. So plenty of things we have in our website, so make sure that you explore all of them. It's really going to help you out. Okay, so this is all I wanted to teach you, how you can automate LinkedIn post with AI.